So this is a forget-me-not that I kind of pushed over to the side to expose another plant that was underneath it. And I'm looking out my window going, I didn't know birds like to eat forget-me-nots, the seeds. But there they are. How interesting. I have a lot of forget-me-nots around the yard because they will reseed and volunteer. And I'm wondering if these are some of the kinds of seeds that in their droppings, I've read where sometimes when birds eat seeds, they'll fly around and then their droppings are beneficial to some kind of seeds to help them propagate. I wonder if that's the case with forget-me-not. And these are beautiful birds with red heads. I'm not sure what they are. Someone else might know. There they are. And then I saw another kind of bird on here a few minutes ago that didn't have the reddish, or I guess you'd say the oranges, on their neck and their head. But there's a lot of activity going on. This particular forget-me-not right now. Tranquil Moments brought to you by M. Have a great day.